Jordan was the father of NBA legend Michael Jordan, and he was tragically robbed, shot, and killed. For weeks now, you've heard from Daniel Green, one of two men convicted in the case, who believes he's served his time and is ready to be freed.
And now we'll get a legal perspective of this case from the judge who presided over it.
In this News 13 exclusive, Judge Gregory Weeks told me why he feels Green should be released.
Retired Superior Court Judge Gregory Weeks has presided over cases in more than 77 counties across the United States. But he says Robeson County is a county he and other Superior Court judges tried to avoid. He recalls a moment when he spoke to attorneys about parole cases.
I told him exactly what I'm telling you now. I told him Robeson County was the most corrupt county I had ever been in my entire legal career, both as a trial lawyer and as a judge.
Judge Weeks says 30 plus years ago, racial tension was prevalent in the county. However, when he got the call about the felony murder trial of James Jordan, he answered it.
I had just rotated out of Robeson County. And I got a call from the Chief Justice's office about the case and was informed that I was being assigned to go back and preside over that case.
The case gained national attention. Two young teenagers, Daniel Green and Larry Demery, on trial for Jordan's killing.
Judge Weeks recalls the trial, particularly Demery's testimony.
There were a lot of holes in Demery's testimony. There were a number of things, some of which were just gut instincts based on my experience, that led me to believe he might have been the one who actually pulled the trigger. And the state didn't care as long as they got a conviction on somebody. Demery was just not a good, reliable witness in my view.
Judge Weeks said the trial was long and drew high emotions from people all over the nation. He said at one point he felt his safety was in jeopardy, which prompted State Bureau of Investigation officers to be on standby inside and outside the courtroom.
Then they shared with me that there was an ongoing investigation that was about to be made public about officials in the system in Robeson County. And they also wanted me to know that they had gotten information that there were some death threats against me that I was probably not aware of.
As the weeks passed, the jury finally came to a verdict for Green and Demery of guilty of felony murder, among other charges.
To ensure that all of the jurors, individually and collectively, had come to the same verdict. And there were a number of instances where folks hesitated when their name was called.
Green has admitted he helped dispose of Jordan's body, but believes he's done his time. Decades after the trial, Judge Weeks has publicly supported Green's release, even writing one of his parole letters last year. In October of 2024, he petitioned the North Carolina Parole Commission to release Green, citing the omission of blood tests from Jordan's car, evidence Weeks believed could have cleared Green.
Do you feel as if Daniel Green has necessarily done the appropriate time for this crime?
Yes, ma'am. But the system is what it is. And unfortunately, it impacts folks. I've got family members.
Yes, same.
Who have been through the system.
And Judge Weeks says since his retirement, he's been teaching trial skills at the National Criminal Defense College for 15 years. And he often mentioned Daniel Green's case to his students. He says he'll continue to publicly support him. Trish?